Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I might have a little something from Diamond Art Studio to unbox today. I'm rather excited to see this one in the flesh, I must say. So let me firstly get in the waterproof packaging, which is definitely a UK must, and then we get to the pretty package after that. So we have a ribbon with Diamond Art Studio. If anybody's seen me unbox one of these before, they're beautifully packaged. And then we do have a thank you for your purchase from Diamond Art Studio, and these are UK based, so this does come directly from their UK warehouse. Look, how nice is this packaged at all? Brown paper, brown tape, absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to try and open it nicely. Oh, it does open nicely. And we can have a look at the one that I have. Oh, and it doesn't tell you. It does say it on the end, actually, to be fair. But I didn't show that bit to the camera. So, this is one of their newer releases. And, if you can see, it is a Pigasso. So let's get the canvas, diamonds, etc. out of the box. So the diamonds do come packaged in baggies, which is absolutely amazing. Look at all that blue. It's not like Mr. Quacker's with loads of white. We have loads of blue instead, but then these gorgeous bright colours and 3 ABs. So we have a white, a blue and a green AB. And then we have all these gorgeous pinks. We've got some lime green, blue, bit of purple. Oh, beautiful colours. This is the square one. I don't get a toolkit. I don't need a toolkit. I like to use my own tray and pens. Oh, look at him. Look at Pigasso. So that is the picture, just so that you can see it a little bit better. But ABs, oh, we actually have 4 ABs. So 701 is the green, and then we actually have 995 and 996 in an AB. And then we have 5200, which is the white AB. There is 34 colours, so 30 colours and 4 ABs in this one. Oh, look at him. So this is by Antonia Dennis, is the artist of Pigasso, with his little paintbrush. And yeah, it's licensed art by Diamond Art Studio. But if you have a look, the symbols are really, really clear. So of course there's a lot of pink for Pigasso himself. And then there is a lot of blue background, but it does have all this little bit of confetti. So there is all the odd bits of confetti around here, which is, of course, his artwork as he splatters everywhere. There's actually quite a few different shades of colour in the splatter. In fact, the splatter is ABs. Some of this splatter is AB. Most of this blue splatter is AB. So the ABs are actually scattered. The blue ones are definitely scattered all over the painting, mainly in paint splatters. The green as well is mainly in the paint splatter that the ABs are about. And then the white is a mixture. So there is some in the paint splatters. I'm trying to see if there's any other loose ones. There's also some here. There's some on the paintbrush, but there's also some to give him a twinkle in his eyes. And then the background paint splatter as well. So the ABs are very nicely spread out. Just trying to see if I can tuck that onto my desk at the back so it lies flat for you. But oh, he's amazing. He's going to be another really, really good one to work on. I will, again, it's a big canvas. I will probably work on it from the bottom. While there is scattering of paint splatters all around the blue, there is a couple of solid blocks. If I actually divided it up to sort of my size of cover paper sheet, there is an odd, there's definitely a block in the pink, and there's some bits in the blue that only have a very light scattering of other colours. So I'd say most of the blockiness is at the bottom. And then as we get up the top, there is a little bit in the blue, but then there's a lot more bigger splatters up the top. So I think the variety is there. There's a lot more variety in the pink on his face as well. So I'll start from the bottom. I like to start at, I mean, you could call it the most boring section. I don't. I actually quite like doing blocks. I quite like tipping one diamond into my tray, tipping a load of them and just doing a big section of it. I quite enjoy that. I actually prefer it to be one or the other. I prefer it to be lots of different confetti pieces that dot all over the place, or one nice big block. I actually don't like it when you have lots of smaller blocks. Don't ask me why, I'm weird. So nice big blocks are quite good to me. I enjoy it when there's a nice big block of a colour and then maybe just a few colours where I can just dip my pen into the pot to fill them in, rather than having to tip into my tray multiple times and, you know, all it being like a little line and a little line and a little line. I'd prefer to either have, say, one big block of colour where I don't need to think, or I'd prefer, instead of it being in straight lines, for it to be scattered all over the place. So I feel like I'm going on a little bit of a treasure hunt for the diamonds, but that's my personal preference. But those ABs are so nice. The blue's nice as well. 809 is the blue. So this is the background. You do get loads of them. Their squares are amazing quality as well, because Mr. Quacker's was a dream to do in squares. But that's a nice background colour. And to confirm the ABs, oh yes, see, the other sneaky one was hiding underneath. We do have white, then 995 and 996, which is a turquoise, and 701, which is the green. So we've got a nice little scattering of AB in our Pigasso. What other colours have we got here? This is quite 894. The question mark. Oh, okay, so that's round his nose, and the outline of his belly is a nice bright pig pink. It's a pig pink. With lots of scatterings of other colours in there, of course. For the paint, we do have some 310. Give him some eyes and some nostrils. But there's some really nice different bright olivey green, brighter green colours to help create some paint splatter. As well as, what have we got here? A few more pinky shades and another gorgeous shade of green. Oh yes, he will be going into my logbook very soon. I'll need to do a logbook update, so I'll keep him about until he's been updated into my logbook and put into my app for a big painting, and we'll see when he gets picked out. He is beautiful though. It'd be really nice to work on another big square one from Diamond Art Studio, though I do have another 3 sat here, so maybe the app will pick me out another one soon. We'll find out when I get the Diamond Art Club I'm working on finished and see which one is next, whether it's Diamond Art Studio or whether it's a completely different company, because I have a few large paintings still to do. But he's gorgeous. The symbols are really nice and clear as well. I do like their symbols. They've got square for black. In fact, let's show you here. Their symbols, when the camera focuses, are just so clear, even with all of them, with or without a light pad. Light pad, of course, is easier as it gets to night time, but I haven't had a problem with their symbols at all. So thank you so much to Diamond Art Studio UK for Pigasso. I will, of course, film a video when he does get kitted up, and there'll probably be a few whip and chats if and when he does get kitted up as well, because I like to do whip and chats with my large diamond paintings. Sometimes with my smaller ones, but definitely with my large ones, I like to include them in a whip and chat or 10, depending on how long it takes me to finish. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.